Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some TikTok makeup hacks, and I'm going to be showing you guys if they work or if they don't work. So if you want to see if these viral TikToks actually work, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I just showered and now I'm going to try this little hack and see if it really works. So I'm going to put my tanning mitt on, and I'm going to be using the 2 Hour Express Loving Tan Self Tanner, and I'm just going to apply some to my mitt, and I'm going to be using a brush like this to apply this. I feel like this is genius. And I'm just going to apply it wherever I would apply bronzer. I look like a damn soldier. Okay. I'm about to get that jawline one. We're about to snatch this jawline. And blend it in. I already self-tanned, so it should blend perfectly with my neck. I'm gonna run some on my ears just so I don't look that crazy. Just gonna blend some of this out. Just trying to blend it so I'm not having like some lines or anything. Imagine waking up and you are already bronzed and ready to go. Nose contour on fleek, imagine. We're about to find out. Okay, so now I'm gonna leave this on for 2 hours. See you guys back in 2 hours. So this is the final result of what it looks like. It's pretty even with my self tanner that I did. I didn't do anything too dark. On this side, I think maybe my face was so dry it grabbed a little bit more, but whatever, we can cover that up with makeup. The only reason why I would do this again is because when I do the self tanner, you can totally tell because my face and my body are two different shades most of the time because I don't apply it on my face. But I will be doing this method because I don't want my whole face to be bronzed. I would like those points to be bronzed, and it came out pretty good. I would definitely try this again.
For makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing your fucking makeup is gonna look. And it's gonna stay on 24/7 and it's not gonna crease.
I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye.